Hey guys, I know that you're frustrated trying to find a good deal today because, you know, prices have gone up and that sort of thing. Today we're going to do a tour of a house that is $200,000 in Conway, South Carolina. It is, just so you guys know, if you aren't familiar with Conway, South Carolina, I'm going to put a link down in the bottom that'll give you some homes for sale and ideas of what else is around. But this home is $200,000. It'll probably sell very quickly. It is a bit of a fixer-upper. There's some paint and carpet and that sort of thing, but it's a really nice home in a great neighborhood. The neighborhood here, you know, you've got sidewalks on the streets. The HOA is very affordable at $25 a month. So let's turn this around and let's take a look and take a tour in the inside. Hey, give me a thumbs up, by the way, if you like these videos. Please do. And comment below and let me know what you think. All right. So this home sits on 0.7, it's 0.17 acres. It's fenced in yard. You've got vinyl siding, so it's pretty much a maintenance-free exterior. Vaulted ceilings here, ceiling fans throughout. This one is just about 1,300 square feet, just to give you an idea. I'm gonna go turn this around so you can kind of see, but great backyard. Got a screened-in porch here. It's all fenced in. So let's go take a look out here. Give you some others of a little fire pit here. All fenced in. Give you an idea. The house here, what it looks like from the outside, and the yard. A little bit of elbow grease, some paint, some carpet. I think you're going to be pretty good to go, but here you got a screened-in porch to relax. This is the inside here, dining/living area, vaulted ceiling. Kitchen. This one includes refrigerator, stove, microwave, and dishwasher. Kind of give you another vantage point so you can kind of see how big this is. Again, finding homes at this price point are getting harder to find, so pick up the phone and give us a call, 843-839-9870. It's what we do on the daily. We help people find homes, buy and sell. So here, this comes with the washer and dryer as well. So there's a 2-car garage here, vinyl floors. Here's the master bedroom, ceiling fan. Kind of slow this down so you can kind of see how big this is, give you an idea. There's also a walk-in closet here. So good thing is this home has a couple closets and there's storage, of course, which is helpful. Everybody always needs storage, right? This has a soaker tub. So, soaker tub and a walk-in shower. So, if you guys are need a walk-in shower. So here's the vantage point for the master bedroom again. We're gonna walk through across the home here. And across the living room again, back to where we started, across the hall. So it's a split floor plan. So you have 2 floor plans. You have a bedroom in the front, a bedroom in the back. You have 2 closets, you see here and here. And then you also have the bathroom in the middle. So here's the bathroom. You have your little skylight. Okay. And then we have this bedroom number 2, which has a really nice window. This kind of has a little bump up here. And give you another vantage point to the bedroom 2 with a closet. Now we go down the other side here. And we're gonna come out into bedroom number 3. So, is this something you guys have interest in or something similar to this? If not, just go ahead and comment below. Let us know what you're looking for, or pick up the phone and give us a call, because we're here to help you avoid the pitfalls that are costly and to help you find your next new home. It's Jerry with Jerry Pincus Real Estate Experts here in sunny Conway today, not Myrtle Beach, Conway, South Carolina. Hope you're having a fantastic day. If you like this, again, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment below. And go ahead and subscribe because we have new videos that are helpful like this that come out all the time. So we'll see you in the next episode. Take care, guys.